there. Okay, so my name is Heather Wickstrom, and I want to thank you for accepting a swag bag from me. You guys are the heart of my business, and so I just treasure every time I get to make a new friend. So I just wanted to walk you through this so that you feel comfortable with me. You are welcome to call or text me at any time with any questions. Okay, I also want to let you know, just in case you're tempted, that I do carry all products in stock, so I can drop them right to your door. All right, so let me walk you through your package and tell you how I would do the products with you if we were live. You ready? Okay, so inside your package, you have some samples. So you open them up, all right, and based on what you told me, your samples are going to either be normal to dry or combination to oily, okay, so for your skin type, all right. So this is your miracle set, all right. It has a cleanser, a day cream, a night cream, and an eye cream, okay, based on your formula. I also have in there a microderm abrasion set and a charcoal mask, okay. Then here's my business card. My goal this year is to go to Spain and take my husband. It's been a crazy year, don't you think? We're tracking $1 million in sales, and so I just want to thank you for being a part of our goal, okay? And then I have a special coupon in here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a survey after you've tried the products, and then you can scratch this off and redeem this with your, it could be a discount, it could be a free product. I'm not even sure what's in here, okay? You just have to fill out the survey to redeem it. Okay, so let's get started. The way I would do it first is, doesn't really matter what time of day it is, this is how I do it all the time. So you can take your charcoal mask, you're gonna rip it open, and you're gonna apply it all over your face. The charcoal mask, this is a top 5 product from Forbes magazine. It is the most, it doesn't have any, like, I've never seen anybody really be allergic to it. Okay, there's no reaction. Charcoal is one of the least reactive products. It's gonna absorb 2 times its weight in impurities, dirt, oil. So you can apply it all over your face, avoid your lips, avoid your eyes, okay? You're gonna let it dry. If you see dark spaces all over your face, that means that you were a little oilier on those spots. If you see little dots on your nose, those are your pores, and the product is actually absorbing blackheads, whiteheads, dirt, oil, makeup, whatever's in your nose. I know, it's really gross. You can do this 2 to 3 times a week. It has eucalyptus, it has salicylic acid. It is amazing, okay? 2 to 3 times a week. If you're oily, you're gonna find that you're less oily for about 2 days. So you're gonna love this product. You can do, so a couple of times a week. All right, so let this stay on your face and let it dry. So you can stop this little video and you can go work, wash your hair, I don't know, wash your dog, whatever, vacuum the living room, make a pot of coffee, whatever you need to do, okay? All right, so then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a dark washcloth, warm washcloth, and you're gonna remove the charcoal from your face. It is gonna come off easily. It's not a peel mask. You actually wanna stay away from peel masks. So go ahead and take that off. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the cleanser, okay? If it's normal to dry, so if it's pink here, then you're gonna take the cleanser, okay? And you're gonna apply the cleanser all over your face. Avoid your eyes, avoid your lips, okay? You can do your neck too. All right, you're gonna, if it's normal to dry, it's gonna be creamy. If it's combination, it's gonna be kind of lathery. You can add water to it and it'll lather, all right? So the normal to dry is gonna be creamy. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take, while the cleanser's on your face, you're gonna take the first part of the microderm refined crystals and you're gonna apply them to your skin using the first 3 fingers all over your face, smoothing in small tight circles all over your face. Get in the little niche of your chin and around your nose, and then right in here, because this is where, you know, things like to hide. This is going to resurface your skin. It's amazing. It's actually what you would find in a dermatologist's office, except you don't have the cute little girl charging you $200 to wash your face. It will refine your pores. It's great for acne. It's great for blackheads. It's great for oily skin. It's great for wrinkles. It's great for all of the things. Okay. And then you're going to take that warm washcloth. Okay. Make it nice and warm and then put it on your face. Okay. If you have the combination to oily formula, then you're going to lather on your skin and then put the microdermabrasion on. Okay, so you want to make sure your face is wet and then lather it. Put that washcloth on, put your head back for 5 minutes and just relax. Okay, when the washcloth gets cool, go ahead and remove everything from your face. You might have to splash your face a couple of times just to get all the microdermabrasion crystals off. And then just go ahead and wash it all off your face. Okay, your skin is going to feel like butter. It's amazing. Okay. If it's daytime outside right now, so if the light is shining through, then you're going to take the second part, which is the pore minimizer. You're going to take this second part and you're going to apply it all over your face. Avoid your eyes and lips, of course. And this is going to actually reduce the appearance of your pore size. So if you have larger pores, then you're going to love this product. You can use this product every day if you want to. So it's totally fine. Okay. Let that product absorb in. And then you're going to take your day cream, if the sun is shining outside, and you're going to apply the day cream all over your face, okay? If it's nighttime, you're going to apply the night cream all over your face. I probably should have said to do your eye cream first because I don't want the SPF to get on your fingers before you apply your eye products, okay? So go ahead and apply your day cream all over your face. It has an SPF of 30, and so it is going to protect your skin from the environment. It is going to, protect your skin from the UVA, the UVB rays, the rays that burn and wrinkle us. We don't like that. All right, the night cream, if it's nighttime, put night cream on. If not, save it for tonight. You can wash your face again and then do the night cream. The night cream has Resveratrol in it. I think I said that right. And it reverses the signs of aging. Okay. All right. So all of these products together have been proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles by half and makes your skin, softer and smoother. All right. With your eye cream, what you're going to want to do, so on the eye cream, it's called the Age Minimized 3D Eye Cream. You're going to take your fourth fingers. So your fourth finger, and you're going to smooth it under and over, smooth it under and over, smooth it under and over. Okay, it's going to automatically go into your into your eyes. Your eyes wrinkle twice as fast, so it's really important to take care of the wrinkling area. All right. Again, I just want to thank you so much for your time. I want to make sure you have the right formula, the right products, that you use them in the right order. Yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, I'm right down the street. I'm in your same zip code. So I would love to hear what you think of our products. In case you're interested, I do have some deals and I will be sending those out to you. And like I said, once you fill out that survey, you can do the scratch off and tell me how much your scratch off is. And I also want you to know that I would love to honor your friends and your family with some swag bags. So the highest compliment that you can pay me is to refer me to your friends. And when you refer 5 friends to me, and you can send me their names in a private message or a text or on the survey that I'm going to send you, you can send their information to me and you get a free gift. Okay. If you send me 10, you get a free mascara or lipstick or gloss of your choice. And if you send me 15, you get an additional discount. So just know that I'm not going to apply any pressure. I'm truly looking for customers. I'm truly looking for women who, just want someone who's going to say, yeah, girl, that looks great on you, or no, girl, that doesn't look great on you, or everything's 100% satisfaction guaranteed. So if you do get something and it's the wrong color or the wrong formula, it's okay. You can contact me. I'm going to swap it out for something you do like. I'm not out anything. Company totally takes care of me. So I don't want you to be stuck with that drawer full of stuff under your sink, right? We all have that. So my number is 817-713-7880. That's my direct cell phone number. You can call me, you can text me, or you can message me. I would love to add you to my personal Facebook group. I do offer steals and deals in there and a lot of fun tips. And I do Facebook Live parties. So I would love, love, love to get to know you better. So I hope this explains everything to you, and I really do appreciate your time. Have a fantastic day.